In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the tool Perplexity to explore an intriguing question about gravity. This process will guide you through accessing Perplexity and formulating a query that sparks curiosity and scientific wonder. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Google is often our starting point for any search, serving as a gateway to a vast reservoir of information and tools available online. Once you're on the Google homepage, move to the search bar, that familiar white rectangle awaiting your exploration. Type in the word perplexity. This tool is designed for those who are keen on exploring complex questions and diving deep into various subject matters. After entering perplexity, press Enter on your keyboard, and Google will display a list of results related to your search. Now, look through the search results until you find the official Perplexity website. It typically appears near the top of the list, so it shouldn't be too hard to spot. Click on the link to enter the website and start your journey into a world of inquiry and exploration. Now that you've arrived at the Perplexity website, you have the chance to ask it anything your curious mind desires. You can think of it as a place where you can let your questions about the world unfold and receive insightful responses. For today's exploration, we're going to focus on a question about gravity. This part involves creativity and curiosity, as you'll want to craft a question that captures your interest. A fascinating prompt you might consider asking is, what would daily life look like if gravity were half as strong? This question encourages a thoughtful exploration of the physical sciences, asking you to consider how such a significant change in a fundamental natural force would transform our world. Imagine how activities like walking or jumping might feel, how architecture could change, or even how it might influence the flight of birds and the flow of oceans. Once your question is set, look for the Submit button on the website. This is usually easy to find on the interface. Click on it to send your inquiry into the digital ether, where Perplexity will work its magic to gather information and provide you with a comprehensive answer. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've leveraged a dynamic tool to better understand the potential implications of a world with altered gravitational pull. Remember, using Perplexity isn't just about asking questions, but also about embracing the pursuit of knowledge and feeding your curiosity about the universe we live in. Keep exploring, stay curious, and you never know what you might discover next.